Hey. Only good thing. Look at what's up with it, man. Every time I see you now, I just remember what beer you drink. Michelob.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's all I know. Oh, you done switched to Bud Light?
Yeah, he really don't care.
He'll drink anything.
Overall, alky.
Yeah.
He about to start going.
You don't drink no liquor? Oh. What's your favorite liquor? So I don't know that.
Brown.
Okay, ice.
What you drinking?
I drink Grey Goose, and I got my own drink up here.
What?
Yeah, I got my. Nah, yeah, it's kind of like.
Drink it.
Nah, it's called the Lookout.
Are you being for real?
Yeah, you tell them you want the Lookout next time you go up there. Watch they hook you up. I'm telling you, my shit, man. I'm being for real, man.
Lookout.
Tell them you want the Lookout next time you go up there. They gonna hook you up. That's one of the baddest drinks out there. I got people. Yeah, tell them. All right, bet. Ice, baby. Hey. Look out, man.
What's up?
You know I got the podcast coming up. I want to know if you'll pull up to it, man. You got anything you want to, you'll go and get on?
But I will.
All right, I want you to pull up, man.
Already. I want Eric to listen too.
Okay, bet. I love it, go weed. This old hot chocolate was good, y'all. Hey, you know about that? Ice, baby. Oh, okay. He know about it. What's up, David, man? Nothing much chilling on him. What's up with it? Man, I'm working on it, man. One step at a time. Mama! No, I can't wait till next summer.
Shit, I have my truck out by then. My truck ready. It's just I got a few bugs to work out on my.
When you coming out?
I'll be out about time. So I could have came out. Then, but I'm gonna wait till the summertime.
Okay. Y'all, barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. That wheel looks funny, man. Nice pass, y'all. A lot of power. What happened?
They told us to turn around.
Oh, okay. It's time to go get me another hot chocolate. Boy, that hot chocolate, that was good. Damn, it look like it's a line over there. Oh, no, it ain't. Yeah, I want me another hot chocolate, man. I'm gonna tell them, put me a little bit more chocolate, though. El mundo real. Bueno, ¿por qué? Aquí. Hard work pays off, my friend. ¿Por qué tienes que disfrutar tiempo? Yeah, let me get a, we got el mundo. Mira, mira. Mira, el mundo aquí. Man, I'm up here finna get me a little hot chocolate, y'all. They said they gonna do something tonight, man. I brought the caprice. They did this little thing. He cut the pretty Tony. Yeah, I cut the pretty Tony, man. I don't know what I'm gonna name this. I don't know. I don't know what the hell this is. You ever be waiting in line sometimes, you be like, dang, they paying slow. Why they ain't already had their money? Y'all what you be saying? Y'all be saying that sometimes? Oh, I need to get mine ready while I'm over here. He broke. Oh, stop. He's going the other way.
What you don't know what the lookout means?
Miss, you don't know what to look out my drink, miss? What do you mean? Yeah, it had a fucking special name, miss. It's called the Lookout. Ah, at least she messing up everything. All right, I need some more hot chocolate with a little bit more chocolate. I need some more chocolate. I'm paying double.